unfortunately. That was not part of the plan, but part of the plan was to make some chili, so we're gonna try and do that right now. So here we go. We prepped some bell pepper and some onions, so throw that in there. I cut up onions that big so they're easier to take out because no one likes onions. Of course, I'm not actually going to eat my rabbit. He's a pet. I'm going to hang on to him for a little bit, make him more chubby, and then I'll think about it. He has an Instagram, so yeah, go follow him. He's pretty cute. I typically like to make my own spice stuff, but I'm not at home, so I don't have my normal spice stuff. But yeah, I could definitely buy those packets anywhere. And mix, 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 mix. If you can get a small can of tomato sauce, that'd be great. Then you can let them simmer for about 15-20 minutes, something like that. And while that happens, you can cut up your goodies. Oh man, I could just smell it just editing it. And that's pretty much it. Yeah man, eat this with chips and hope you enjoy.